Yo, this is Live and Beat Productions, because you know how we do. This song is getting very, very silly, because you know, that's what we do. So, you know, if you like it, alright, whatever, here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
My name, we started too late.
Oh.
We're so stupid. Hold on, boo.
Yo, this is Live and Beat Productions, because you know how we do. This song is getting very, very silly, because you know, that's how we do.
Yeah, do it again. My name is Kai. Oh, I don't know why. I like to eat some cherry pie.
My name is Eric and I like to rap. Get out my face before you get pissed.
It's you and me, and we're rapping to this beat. For our best friend, her name is Binky. Her name is Brianna Melissa Ford, but she doesn't drive a Honda Accord. She drives a PT Word Cruiser with the turbo speed. Don't lose her. It's Kai and Erica on the track, so to all the haters, take 2 steps back. Y'all, if you don't like this track, you can